Hey, I'm back in the day, nigga. Dumb man, nigga, fuck the nigga. Fuck the nigga talking about. Pussy ass jits, tired of y'all shit. Let me talk my shit and show these niggas how to do. I tell my brother pass the blick. How about finna chasing down? Pop a shit. Show them niggas how to shoot a movie clip. We ain't new to this, we so true to this. Don't end up in a spliff. Broad day, I don't give a fuck, I'm finna do your shit. Crash out, flash out, nigga, I'll spaz out. Let me remind you, we them youngest from the south. And we don't got no mind, bitch, I bust you with that iron. Said she wanna brag out, I ain't it, but I got a cannon and I'm wildin'. Now my niggas, they been through your shit and scoped it like a D1 scout. We got so drop, just thinking when the hit ain't trying to make it hot. Thinking that niggas ain't even posted on your block. We tryna make sure when we swing you not up in the house. I already know y'all ins and outs. When we sliding, feeling like a dog in a cage. Tell them let me out, you nigga favorite sports flag. You doing all that Instagram rapping. I don't get into that, I ain't with that chit chat. We pull up to your side like a funeral. We dressed up all black. It's funny though, it's gonna be another funeral. When we done on your block, run on down and send them straight to God. I'm talking about 50 clips, 30 blitz, 20 bullets out the switch. Spinning shit so much you think we getting dizzy in this bitch. And we could beat your ass and scared to swing on shit. Turn you to a star, push you up and send you to the stars. Man, I fucking hate you pussy niggas. Always rapping, when I catch you, I'ma blow my shit. I swear to God, how my dogs done beat your ass, you got a nerve to talk shit. Fuck it, I don't got no chip or 12 in the clip and hit the scene, we finna do a drill. I done swing through a couple times, this shit dead real. Just wanna get this shit up off my chest. Scary ass nigga, you heard what I said, don't get scared. Take notes from that other clip. When it came down to the shit, they knew better not to stand on business. Better be the same way, better stay in your lane. Fat ass straight, this a type of beat and take your whole face. I'm an angry at a nigga, pussy, don't try your luck. Quit to swing that shit and throw some motherfucking slugs and turn your ass to angel dust. Nigga, y'all niggas scary as fuck, man. Nigga know what the fuck the business is, nigga. And I'm standing on that shit, boy, by my brothers, man.